explore one of the most deserted roads or ghost roads. So join me in this journey. Yeah. Let's go and meet that road. Let's go. We have arrived. Many people don't like using this road, especially pedestrians. I don't know why. What caused this? Maybe the issue of security or what. But today we are going to explore it. Let's go. You can count the number of pedestrians that I come across. You will see there are a small number of them. This road acts like a border between two national schools. One on this side is Alliance Girls and this one is Alliance Boys. So two national schools are being divided by this road. We have napier grass planted along it to make it or to beautify it. These are animal feed, especially cows. Cows, goats, and many other animals that feeds in greens. Apart from it looking like a ghost road, it's a beautiful road where you can come and do cycling because it's not that much busy that it can be a distress to you. You can do jogging and many other recreational activities that you may like. Yep. You see, these two schools are being guarded by two perimeter walls. This one and that one. That's boys, and this one for girls. Exploration is one of the best things that a human being should embrace, because you need to go and explore everywhere and see how people stay and live there, and why, like what we are doing now. I need to know why so many pedestrians don't like this road. Is it because of security or what? There must be a reason why people don't like walking on this road, and a concrete one. How many pedestrians have you counted that I've come across with? There are 3 in front of me. For being quiet, people have decided to come and to plant their crops here. I can see sweet potatoes, kales, cassava, maize or corn, and many other things. That you may like. Those are animals' manure. For cow. Apart from that student that we came across with, there's no other pedestrian who was coming in this on the other side. That's an aeroplane, an helicopter. This is the second pedestrian to come across with. For it being a less active road, there is no large amount of potholes. Now we have reached to the busy road. Thank you. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.